Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pet Trading Partners on Bob Iacchino. So, as we talked about last week repeatedly, we're waiting for either to break out or break down. For the breakout side, about 1556, we got the key close above it, and then we went through 1614. The next major area we're watching is the 1700 level. These two candle bodies right here. If we did have a pausing bar, you could do a projection. If you just want an idea, this isn't official because we don't have a pausing bar, but if you do want a roughly idea, so it's 1677 and 1704. So 1700 is the next major level, and that lines up with the harmonic projection, which we don't technically have a pausing bar, but it gives us an idea. Above there, I'd be watching 1792, essentially 1800, and above that, all the levels are in place. We had massive out of the money call buying again, and it seemed to have worked. Well, last week we stayed stagnant. This week it got a little move on. Major support now coming back at the breakout area, so that 1556, the rising rotation zone on the 4 hour. So if we do retest it, that's prior resistance becoming support with the rising rotation zone. And if we did drop below that, the area right now is about 1465 based off the 4 hour for support. Let's take a look at that daily, always more important. So we finally tagging, remember 8 pushing the price, we're waiting as it edged sideways, 8 hit the price rocketed up. So that's right there, the 8 pushing the price. It's still bullish on daily, still bullish on 4 hour. They do release earnings on the 22nd, so that's in 2 days after market hours. So we shall see what they do then. Just keep that in mind. Major support on the daily coming in around this 1324 to 1340 area. Other than that, not much else new. I still am expecting some kind of rally going into earnings, so let's just see if it continues to unfold. We'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.